As they say, home is where the heart is, so it's only fitting to consider where you will build that dream home for your family. Some have envisioned a life in the city, while there are those who have always wanted to seek refuge in the comforts of the countryside. Setting up a home away from the metro has been a huge trend, and Pampanga is among the emerging spots to do this. At about 70 kilometers north of Manila and approximately 2.5 hours drive via the SC-Tex, you will reach the province of Pampanga. And in the heart of this dynamic province, you'll find the municipality of Porac, a developing economic and residential hub, a key location for new experiences, and a perfect locality for growing a family. It is important for us to have a place to come home to at the end of the day that brings joy into our lives. Because when you love where you live, it sets the tone for a happy and content life. Suntrust Properties is a wholly owned subsidiary of the MegaWorld Corporation. Since 1997, Suntrust Properties has been providing well-thought-out designed homes that focuses on space-saving and functionality features, delivering high standard of comfort and style customized to the needs of Filipino families. And this is what Suntrust Arcadia has to offer. Suntrust Arcadia aims to build shared spaces to encourage lasting friendships and quality time with family and friends. And for a well-deserved quality of living, Suntrust Arcadia is set to construct a resort-like community boasting of stellar amenities that eases life stresses and provides a haven for your family. Suntrust Arcadia has 8 well-thought-of kinds of homes for your family: Adelaide, Alexandria, Aberdeen, Ara, Athens, Atlanta, Anay, Andorra. The Arcadia is strategically located at the heart of Porac, Pampanga, easily accessible to key destinations of the Kapampangan culture and locale, and might we say a stone's throw away from Clark and Angeles. What's next door to this residential community is another story, as Arcadia considered proximity to everything, from family-friendly leisure spots, reputable schools, reliable medical institutions, old churches and historic sites where one can learn much about the Kapampangan's way of life, to a delightful gastronomical adventure with a famed Kapampangan cuisine, to wide options of your favorite samgyeopsal. From Korea, we travel to Vietnam to try their delicious dishes. And of course, your food trip would not be complete without tasting China's best. These food experiences give you the vibe of traveling across Asia. The Arcadia prides itself for providing luxury of the countryside, living through its modern contemporary homes and resort-inspired amenities to suit your lifestyle. A promising property in the north where you can build your dream home.